Going to discuss a very important announcement for all of you. Complete class 11th and 12th coverage. If your aim or your dream is to get rank below 1000, then only you should consider this batch. You will also be given KCET, comedk and PU2. Hello my dear champions, welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel, and today I am going to discuss a very important announcement for all of you. You already know that we have already launched an online course for your KCET preparation, and it was KC90. Now during that time we received a lot of comments from some of you that sir, I just get to know about this course and I think already it is late. The course is already 2 weeks, 3 weeks into the already 3 weeks have completed. Now if I join your course, will it be beneficial for me? So that's why after a lot of thoughts, after a lot of discussions with the other fellow teachers and with the management, we have finally bring you the batch 2 of KC90. So batch 1 was already sold out, and even if you join batch 1 now, it is already a few chapters are already covered, and it will give you a lot of pressure if you join there. So that's why all the teachers, after a lot of discussion and a lot of fighting with the management, we personally have decided that we will launch batch 2 anyway, and that's why we are launching batch 2 in our and this is the announcement in our channel. So how and when you can get the batch 2, every detail I will be giving you today. So before I start, just wanted to show you the result of our batch 1. The students of our batch 1 rated our course 4.5, and not 1 not 2, 92% of the students rated it 4.5 and above. So that's why we got the encouragement to launch batch 2. And if you are still thinking about start preparation of your KCET, and you will be still thinking if you keep on thinking about it. So that's why I request you go through this lecture and see if you are suitable for this batch or not. Okay, so this batch is very special. This is the second batch of our offering. So first let us look into the thing that what will be the course detail, what you will get in this batch. So complete class 11th and 12th coverage. So if you are interested in completing entire syllabus of KCET 11th and 12th, also focus on most important concepts so that you can score your rank 1000 and below. So if you are someone who is thinking that I should score 1000 and below, then only you are eligible to join this batch. If you think no, I will get a rank of 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh and I will take admission whatever I want, then definitely this batch is not for you. Okay, obviously KCET give you only up to 2.5 lakh ranks. So that's why I am saying, if your aim or your dream is to get rank below 1000, then only you should consider this batch. This batch is for those who are aiming a rank below 1000. That is the aim of this batch. We should not compromise anything less. Okay, so first of all, complete class 11th and 12th coverage you will get. Also chapter wise PYQs, DPPs, etc. you will be provided with everything. You will also be given KCET, comedk and PU2 test series, absolutely no cost. Live doubt solving, we all the teachers will come live and discuss with you whatever doubts you have, and the doubt session currently happening once in a week. As the exam progresses, the number of live doubt clearing session will increase, and we will not leave a single doubt in your mind. All the doubts that you have will be cleared by us. Okay, you will also get downloadable note and PDFs. All the notes will be provided in a downloadable format. You will also get the PDFs of all the lectures, all the notes, formula sheets, etc. Everything you will get in this series. Okay, exclusive WhatsApp community for all the registered students. You will be get access to the WhatsApp community, and from there you can get all the updates, all the notes, all the PDFs, everything will be provided to you. So don't wait any further. And one more good news for all the students, those who have still not enrolled in batch 1 and thinking whether you should enroll in batch 1 or not, worry not, batch 2 is much more cheaper than your batch 1. So batch 1 price was, when it was launched, was 9999. Original price of entire course was 20,597, but obviously we cannot charge you that. So after a lot of discussion, lot of fighting, the price was adjusted to 9999. And now after much more fighting, because we wanted to give it a student at some important values, so we have given you value for money. 8,999 is the price for combined KCET and comedk preparation. So here entire 90 days for comedk and KCET, entire both courses combined price is only 8,999. Whereas if you are just interested in KCET for now, I will decide on comedk later, but I am very much interested in KCET and my rank should be below 1000 in KCET, then definitely you should get this course. And the price is, again, it is reduced by 1000. It is only available for 4,999. 4,999 is the price for KCET. And similarly, if you are interested for only comedk, you thought that okay, KCET is sorted, I just want to get some help for comedk, then the price of comedk again reduced by 1000 and the price is only 4,999. So if you are only interested in KCET, this course brings you everything, a comprehensive preparation strategy, as well as all the course, all the classes are curated according to your level. So we will discuss with you so that you will know that what is the level of preparation is needed, and also all the expert guidance is provided to you how you can use this course to achieve your dream. So everything will be provided along with the live classes, live discussions and lectures, as well as DPPs, solutions, previous year questions. Also the most important thing is Abhyas KCET test series, Abhyas comedk test series, everything will be provided, everything is included in this series. And the entire price of batch 2 is only 8,999 if you purchase both. If you purchase only KCET, the price is 4,999, and for comedk it is again 4,999. But remember, this batch is only for those who aspire to get a rank below 1000, and that we can make it reality if you follow our guidance, if you follow our batch. Right? So with this note, I'd like to end this lecture right now. But if you are someone who is thinking of rank below 1000, then you should definitely join our batch 2. The batch 2 will start in the first week of December, so don't wait till that time. Okay, prices may go up by the time it is launched, so don't wait till that time. Register yourself today and get the additional discount benefits. Okay, so with this note, this is over. I'll be back with a new lecture very soon, and also I would like to see you in our KC90 batch 2. Till then, bye.